I'm here with Julia and Selena. What middle school did you guys come from?
Sierra Marchant.
Sierra Marchant. What middle school did you come from?
Chelsea Webster.
Hi, Gradius. I went to Pierre Laporte Middle School.
Rockcliffe.
Rockcliffe.
Amesbury.
Why did you guys choose Memo?
Because of the AP program.
I think it's the Rush program and it's I knew.
It's a nice, safe community. AP program.
What are 3 things you love about Memo? I love the course variety, such as the construction, the biology, the chemistry, and I also really like the amount of clubs we have.
My friends, the teachers, and how safe it feels. AP.
And I really like the school community. It's very welcoming.
I chose Memo because of the education programs and also for the sports they have over here.
I like the diversity of Memo.
I came to Memo for the computer engineering course.
And I also really like the teachers and the school community since they're really loving and caring.